you want to know which products are helping me achieve flawless, shiny and natural skin even under my mask, then stay put. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sangya Lakhanpal and I make videos on beauty and fashion. So do not forget to subscribe for weekly dose of content. Guys, I am here today to talk about something which has become a cause of major concern for me. It is called maskne. Now I'm sure your immediate reaction is, what is maskne? Well, my friends, maskne is acne being caused by wearing a mask on a daily basis. Without even asking you guys, I already know that a lot of you are probably facing this problem. And let me tell you from experience that the only solution to this is using the right products. And the reason why I'm here today is because I have some great news to share with you guys. You can wear makeup every day and wear a mask on top of it every day and yet be able to achieve flawless, shiny and natural skin thanks to Maybelline's FIT Me range of products. I'm going to focus on 3 products from this range today. The first one being the matte and poreless foundation, the second one being the FIT Me concealer, and the third one, the FIT Me loose finishing powder. My aim today is to show you how to achieve this flawless skin by using just these 3 products. After prepping my skin, I like to go in straight away with the foundation. I am using the matte poreless FIT Me foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. That's my shade. Now guys, I love this foundation because this has a mattifying texture. It is absolutely lightweight. It is so easy to wear, and the best part is that it keeps my skin hydrated. So it is just like the best thing I can wear underneath my mask. So I just take a bit on my beauty blender and then go apply it onto my face and then start blending it out. And don't forget your neck, because of course your face and neck should match. So yes, go in and apply the foundation on your neck as well. Now that I'm done blending the foundation, can you take a look at my skin please? It looks so flawless that I'm absolutely in love with my skin all over again. And of course in love with this foundation. This is like a miracle product. Why? Because all of you that have been following me know how much I love matte products, matte lipsticks, matte foundations, matte blush, everything matte. And apart from this being matte, it also hydrates my skin. And on top of that, this is so lightweight that I can barely feel it on my skin. So what else can I ask for from a foundation along with such good coverage? I mean, I am sorted for life. Thank you, Fit Me. Now it's time to apply the concealer. A concealer should ideally be a shade or 2 lighter than your foundation shade. The best part about the Fit Me range of concealers is that you can virtually try on the shade by clicking on the virtual tryout link in the description box. Guys, the Fit Me concealer in the shade 20 Sand is my most favorite product in this whole Fit Me range. I can't even tell you how many benefits this concealer has, and I am enjoying using this in so many ways. Let me just get the list started. First of all, this helps me conceal my dark circles and takes care of my under eye puffiness if I have any on some days. Another thing is, it helps me hide my blemishes and redness, and I use it all the time to highlight my features. Now guys, why I love this product even more, apart from the benefits, is that it is a non-comedogenic product, which means it does not clog my pores, and it is extremely lightweight. So I go in by applying it around my eyes to take care of my dark circles. I just need a tad bit and I'm sorted, you guys. Then of course I apply it on the bridge of my nose to highlight, a little bit on my forehead in the middle, also on my blemishes a little bit. Then I just take a concealer brush and go in and blend everything out. Now that I'm done blending my concealer, it's time to apply the loose powder to lock everything in. I'm in the shade 20 Light Medium. I just like to take out some powder, go in with the brush, tap off the excess, and then just go in lightly all over my face to lock and seal everything in. Do not forget your neck, guys, for that flawless look from top to bottom. Just take a moment and look at how flawless my skin looks, how shiny and how natural it looks. This is exactly what we wanted to achieve, right? These products are not transfer proof. My skin feels absolutely light and breathable. It's also because these products control oil and they are non-comedogenic, which means that my pores are not going to get clogged. And just look at how this concealer helps drive focus onto my eyes. I absolutely love these products. Wearing a mask has become the new normal, but that does not mean that we have to suffer from maskne or that we can't wear makeup. Thanks to Maybelline's Fit Me range. I have to tell you that the Fit Me range is extremely inclusive, which is why it matches all skin types. And I am in love with it because it is non-comedogenic, guys. It will not clog my pores and it controls oil, which means I'm always going to feel fresh even under the mask. And obviously, because of all these amazing benefits, do not forget to check out the Maybelline's Fit Me range. The purchase link is in the description box. Do check it out. I promise you, these will become your go-to everyday products. And the best part is that these are safe to wear under the mask on a daily basis. And I like to say that Maybelline's Fit Me range is skin fit, mask fit. And you know what to do. Come back with all the feedback and all the compliments because I know that you are going to love these products. I will be waiting to hear from you guys. And I hope that this video turns out to be super beneficial for you all. And I can't wait to see you next time with more content. And do not forget to subscribe. I love you. Mwah.